My name is Justin Yerbury. I am Professor in Neurodegenerative Disorders at the University of Wollongong. My work focuses on understanding the molecular biology of motor neuron disease. We aim to use our understanding of the molecular processes underpinning motor neuron disease to design therapies. I personally face the challenge of continuing to work while living with MND. I believe that the results of our work are broadening our understanding of MND, giving us an explanation for why motor neurons specifically die, and providing a molecular reason for excitability in people with MND. My colleagues play a particularly important role in this work because of my condition. The award to me is a recognition of the hard work and sacrifice that my team has made in our quest to improve the lives of Australians living with MND. It is a reflection of the amazing efforts of those that make it all possible, including my wife Rachel, my family, my research team, and all those that have donated to our research